Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change domain names on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see right now, I'm on the dashboard of my Wix website. So if I click on this link right here, I can see what is the domain name or the URL of my website. So it is named tiara-s-beauty. So if I want to change that, I just need to head over in here and then can actually connect a custom domain if you want. So if you have bought a domain, you can connect it right here. But if you don't have a domain that you have purchased, you can click on the settings right here. And then once you have clicked on settings, you should be able to see this website settings right here. So click on the website settings. And then once you have done that, you will be able to scroll down, and in here you can see the site address. So we can change this by clicking on delete on this and then just put in a new URL in here. And then from in there, click on save button, and then this will update the site address. So let's just wait for that to finish on the site address. And then this will reload our website. And then from in there, we'll be able to see the settings, which is this one right here. Now let's head back to the home page. And then let's head back on our website link right here. Once we click on that, as you can see, the website link has been changed as well. And then from this to this. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change the domain name of your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!